it's a beautiful afternoon and I feel so irritated. You know, sometimes mood changes. I just don't feel, I don't know, whatever. Anyways, we're going to Nairobi and I'm supposed to be excited, but I am excited. Anyways, like I said, I feel irritated, but that's normal. Mood changes are normal. And let's quickly pack our bags. I packed the sandwich and everything. We'll just have a snack in the train. Okay, bye. See you later. So guys, I quickly came to Akshardham to pick this kid. He's coming along.
I'm 19.
You're 19, I know. You're just a kid. I'm like your mother. Mirav, how was your encounter with the policeman? So, yeah, someone just like a lorry just crashed our car from behind. But anyways, समझा लिया है सबको. We have reached our train station. So we still have time to board our train, so we're just getting some, Mirav is getting some of his drinks. I told him to bring water bottle from home, save money, you know, you can bring from home, it's allowed. Then I think fresh and fruity job, how awesome. Mirav, that tropical heat na chevro khada. It's nice actually. Done. So Mirav thinks we're going for a school trip. He's buying one juice, one crepes, one. You know, we used to shop for a school trip. Anyways, let's go. Before we came, it was full. After we came, empty. The train is boarding. Mirav, only because of your juice and soda. Mirav to box में सु लिया हुआ है. क्या बताना? Khumri, orange color ने khumri. A fresh and fruity ने आया पर advertisement. If you want those khumri for kanchri and everything, you can ask Mirav those orange ones. Guys, मैं इतना जल्दी घर से निकली हूँ ना आज. I even forgot to change my slippers. I'm literally wearing my home rubber slippers. But कोई बात नहीं. Like always say, चंपल तो है ना पहनने के लिए. दूसरों के पास चंपल भी नहीं है पहनने के लिए. Mirav, check which coach number. You're not worried about your bag falling. You're worried about your khumri. He's like khumri पड़ी है तो नीचे. बीजू का ही नहीं कांचरी करा ने khumri ना जावे जाए. By the way, guys, this is the first class. I've already shown it before in my old vlog. એમની suitcase પછી ખુમડીનો box પેલા હાલુ ગયું ઉપર. We actually thought it wasn't rotating. It is. So guys, we can actually rotate this seat. So you can be like opposite. Oh. Nah. I'm sure it's moving behind. Does it move behind? Mirav na pag ni mai lamba pag to pachi sit am ka nahi. Mirav, what's wrong with you? Show me. Every passport ne plastic bag ma kaun nakhya hai. Waterproof થઈ ગયું. Waterproof. So guys, हम लोग आ चुके हैं ट्रेन के अंदर. It will go shortly. There's actually extras. यहाँ पे extra seats भी है तो I'm just waiting for them to come. I can't believe you guys. So पीछे की seats यहाँ पे empty है, so we're just like taking it, and now they can sit comfortably. Guys, so we're about to leave. So we're about to leave now, and I know my trip to Nairobi was so sudden, but no problem. Everything in life is sudden, unexpected.
This train has 12 coaches, which include facilities such as 1, 2, and 3, and economic class sections 4 to 12. Please note the movement.
So we have 5 hours, 6. Mira, how long do you have? 6 hours or 5 hours? 5 hours. So no wasting time. Let's just read a little bit. Anyway, you know, मुझे जब ऐसा environment change होता है ना, so I really like studying because it's like different environment. Boys, watermelon. Actually no, Mirav. Oh, fresh and fruity मत ना लीधो तो ना खाओ. क्यों हो तू? Let's go. थोड़ा time पढ़ाई कर लिया ना, we'll just go आगे. If you've seen my previous vlogs, you know that they have lounge and everything. Is it even open? खबर नहीं थी खोलो क्या नहीं. Mira, why do you be all late? Guys, bad luck. So this train does not have the lounge. They have 2 trains, right? So one of it has. But anyway, we're quite comfortable in our seats, so it's actually fine. Yeah, but look like because हमको यहाँ पे seats मिल चुकी हैं, we're quite comfortable, so it's okay. Join तन्नत को. ना वे नानी है. Mirav, do you like the sandwiches? So guys, it's like 5:30 p.m. and we're having sunflowers. The sun is setting and we're almost about to reach. At least So guys, हम लोग almost पहुंच चुके हैं Nairobi and I don't think I'll vlog anything after going. The best thing is Amikaki don't know that I'm going. Amikaki and Nithik knows. They don't know that I'm going. So let's say I didn't tell them. So guys, we've reached Nairobi. Kuli kamri leke ja raha hai. So we've reached Nairobi and it's such a nice, cold, amazing weather. So guys, I've reached. Omika and them don't even know I'm here. Oh my god. I just like showed up in their house. So guys, it's the first day in Nairobi and I don't know how I woke up so early and I'm ready and yeah guys, so last night I came and Nithik and Amikaki, they were all sleeping but they woke up in shock. They weren't expecting me to come. So anyways, this time I've really made certain plans to come to Nairobi, like you all must be knowing already. और अभी हम लोग पढ़ाई करेंगे. I'm going to study over here also. So yeah, let's see how the day in Nairobi goes now. Oh, by the way guys, the Pro 20 cricket is on. कल रात हमने वो देखा था. I don't know to say, it was in semi-finals, it was something. The team names are so hard and I don't even know, I don't even remember the team names, man. They're so common. I don't know, there was one called Mafuko, like I don't know what it means. Anyways, so yeah, hopefully I'll attend the finals on Saturday. So yeah, I'll go. Last time I went for cricket, I don't know if you have seen the video, it was the Intergam cricket and it was so much fun. So let's see how this time it goes and yeah.
Alafu tu niambie. Hi, mambo. Poa. Hi, Sai.
Did you know I was coming?
Sijui. Wewe unachukwanga kwa picha kila siku kama sijui. Habari ya Mombasa.
Habari.
Sema mzuri.
Mzuri. Peter has said hi to you, by the way.
Hapana, mimi sitaki Peter. Mimi nataka muhindi.
Najua muhindi.
Nataka muhindi.
Najua Peter ni vizuri.
Hapana, mimi sipendi Peter.
Kaku is still sleeping. Tuaruke. Kaku tuaruke. Hello. Hello. So guys, मेरा थोड़ा सा एडिटिंग बाकी था, so मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के कक्कू के साथ बैठ के एडिटिंग कर रही हूँ and I'm having some fruits. Kakku, you want fruit? Let's see if Kakku is eating watermelon. Guys, I hope आप सब fruits खाते हो रोज. Kakku, you want? You want? See, Kakku is a good boy. He's eating fruits. So everyone should eat fruits. An यहाँ पे क्या कर रही है? Fruits काट रही है. You're cutting fruits. And fruits are very healthy. Look, all blueberries, strawberry, pineapples, and now kiwi. Oh. Nitik is back from school. Nitik, say hi to everyone. Hi. His exams are going on. He has biology tomorrow, and I'm loving it. So guys, it's evening and it's a really nice weather. Like, it's hot. In the daytime it was actually hot. Every time I बोलती हूँ कि it's hot, but this time it's actually hot. और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं कहीं पे, and I'm just going in my maxi. That's the best thing. I just have to sit in the car, so I'm just going. Who cares? So yeah, we're going and getting some chips from somewhere. So guys, we've got the chips I was talking about. So the place where we got it from, they give this kanchubari and they give this dilu sauce, you know, watery tomato sauce. And Buju Sotu, look at this one. Ashika, Nitin? 1-1. So this is like a mandazi, and inside there is samosa, and inside there's also kanchubari. So you'll just like wrap it and you eat it. And there's chips here. So you know guys, chips is like a very common thing, but in some places chips is like chips and kanchubari is like a traditional, you know, you mix and it's like a lulu, everything is lulu. So yeah, do go and try it. I didn't even show you the place. Oh my god. So guys, after eating we were just watching the semi-finals of the Swaminarayan Pro 20. You know, I was actually just trying to also get to know the names of the teams and everything, क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं था कौन सी टीम है क्या है कुछ भी. So I was just trying to get used to, because I was going to see the finals. So yeah. So that was the end of our first day in Nairobi, and I really hope all of you liked our train journey, our journey. You know guys, वो train में आप लोग जाते हो ना, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है, especially if you have like friends with you and everything. So do try to experience the SGR trains. They're so much fun to go in. Even economy, this was the first class, and even economy is nice. अगर आपके पास group है, सब कुछ आप लोग group में साथ में बैठ सकते हो. But if you're just like one or two, then economy में थोड़ा सा uncomfortable रहता है. But if you're fine, it's okay. But do get the experience. And anyways, thank you so much for watching. It was fun today, and like I told you, मेरा थोड़ा सा ही visit था to Nairobi, so I wasn't doing that much. I was just studying and everything. थोड़ा सा मेरा videos बनाने थे, मैंने बना लिए. और अभी हम लोग सोने जाएंगे, and I'm really looking forward कि how our next days will go. And I'm also excited to see the finals of the cricket. At least now I know कौन सी team क्या है और कुछ भी. You know, I didn't even know there is Mombasa Cement team. मतलब I like sports, but I'm not so much into this. I'm busy studying and doing my own things. But anyways, it was fun, and I'm really looking forward to see everyone once again. And it's always so nice to come to Nairobi and meet everyone and see cricket. Anyways guys, okay, bye. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Please apna khayal rakhna, and see you in the next video. Don't miss it. Nairobi videos are always so much fun to watch. So yeah, bye bye. Take care.